China is growing on a mind-bending scale and so fast that even the world's top engineers are left speechless. In 2024, China's megaprojects will push limits in ways the world has never seen before, including record-breaking bridges, futuristic railroads, and gigantic green energy hubs. Building larger isn't the only goal here, it's also about redefining what's possible, frequently in an environment so harsh and demanding that failure seems more likely than success. With billions of dollars on the line and an unparalleled level of innovation, how are these projects changing the global engineering game, and could the world ever catch up? Rapid urbanization, China's infrastructure development efforts, strategic connection, and long-term growth drive China's huge infrastructure development efforts. The nation is funding initiatives that will not only transform the lives of its citizens but also establish China as a leader in innovation and technology worldwide. China envisions futuristic cities that are both technologically sophisticated and built for seamless communication. Projects like the Xinjiang New Area showcase cutting-edge smart city technologies combining AI, renewable energy, and IoT devices to create a completely integrated living environment. In order to guarantee efficiency and sustainability, the nation is also constructing extensive transport networks that connect cities and regions via high-speed rail and contemporary airports, all of which are developed with cutting-edge technology. China is at the top of the list of green energy activities, including large-scale solar farms, wind energy projects, and urban carbon reduction programs. As seen by the growth of electric cars, the use of renewable energy in transportation networks is extremely important to this. For example, China's Three Gorges Dam also contributes to this objective by using sustainable energy. China, with its advanced technological methods, saves a lot of time and resources while also enhancing safety. This includes the use of 3D printed and prefabricated components. These developments keep China at the top of building unique, large-scale, and advanced structures. Let's look into these ambitious projects' details and see how they are redefining what is possible in the fields of technology, energy, and building. The International Land-Sea Center. The International Land-Sea Center, located in Chongqing, is one of the most impressive megastructures in China. It aims to have a primary tower that rises to a height of 500 m by the end of 2024, making it one of the highest structures in the area. With 11 buildings and a total construction area of over 521,000 square meters, the project is a huge mixed-use complex. Despite the government's recent restriction on new skyscrapers, it is intended to serve as a center for office and business activities, demonstrating China's continued superiority in skyscraper development. This skyscraper's construction uses cutting-edge technology and modern construction procedures to ensure its safety and durability. A significant trait is the usage of cutting-edge skyscraper building equipment produced by China State Construction Engineering Corporation, CSCE. This machine can build up to one level in 3 days and can handle several building jobs at once, including pouring concrete, installing steel structures, and binding steel bars. In addition, the project makes use of 2 massive tower cranes that can lift 100 tons of material, which is necessary considering the project's size. In order to build the gigantic steel structure, an estimated 70,000 tons of steel, which happens to be the same weight as 7 Eiffel Towers, were used. This impressive feat cements China as one of the best countries to have architectural wonders. Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge. If we have to talk about one of the most spectacular engineering wonders in the whole world, it would indeed be the Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge, located at Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in China's Hunan province. This bridge stretches about for 30 m across a very deep canyon and is deemed to be the world's longest glass bridge. This bridge is suspended 300 m above the ground, providing visitors with breathtaking views. It is designed to carry around 800 people at a time. Engineers built the bridge by erecting four support pillars along the canyon's walls. The bridge has about 120 glass panels set onto a metal frame. Each of these 3-layered panels is a tempered glass slab that is 5.1 centimeters thick. The bridge's underbelly is equipped with 3 lengthy swings. Additionally, a 285 m bungee leap, which is regarded as the highest in the world, can be made. Zhangjiajie's harsh, hilly position posed substantial construction obstacles. The high cliffs and unpredictable weather, which included heavy rain and strong gusts, required the building crew to quickly adapt. This bridge, apart from its size and audacious design, has come to attract attention from all corners of the globe. As more of the difficulties in building an aesthetically pleasing yet safe and functional structure were overcome, it formed part of the country's areas that demonstrate high levels of talent and dedication to engineering in China. Huashanshan Wuhan Hospital. The Huashanshan Hospital was constructed as an emergency medical facility in Wuhan, China, in reaction to the COVID-19 outbreak. The project is an outstanding example of quick, creative building that was needed to address the pressing demand for medical facilities in the midst of a worldwide pandemic. The hospital was constructed in just 10 days, with the official opening on February 3, 2020. It was designed to treat patients with severe cases of the virus and relieve the strain on Wuhan's existing healthcare system. Engineers used modern 3D modeling software to build a computerized layout of the entire hospital before construction. All prefabricated components, including walls, floors, and pipes, were guaranteed to fit together precisely with little on-site adjustment thanks to this digital design, facilitating a smooth construction process. The hospital included specialized isolation wards with negative pressure ventilation systems to control the virus spread. Advanced medical equipment, such as respiratory machines and diagnostic tools, was also delivered in prefabricated units, allowing the hospital to begin operations immediately after construction was completed. Within just 10 days, Huashanshan Hospital became operational, showcasing the efficiency of prefabricated construction and coordinated logistics during an emergency. Before we move on to number 4, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you like this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of you watch the videos without subscribing. Imagine what we could accomplish if everyone subscribed. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So, is it done? Great. Thank you so much. The Three Gorges Dam. The Three Gorges Dam on China's Yangtze River is the world's largest hydroelectric power station. Its creation was a huge engineering and environmental transformation achievement that had an effect on the entire world. Spanning around 2.3 kilometers, this dam stands 185 m tall. Its construction required 28 million cubic meters of concrete and 463,000 metric tons of steel. The dam created a 600 kilometers reservoir, submerging the scenic Three Gorges and transforming the landscape. The dam can handle ships up to 10,000 tons in weight because of its 5-tier lock system. Additionally, to facilitate the smooth navigation of the reservoir, the largest ship lift in the world was put into place to speed up the passage of smaller boats. The dam plays a key role in flood control, protecting the Yangtze Basin from severe floods that historically impacted the region. However, the project required extensive relocation of communities and significant changes to the landscape. The Bohai Strait Tunnel. The Bohai Strait Tunnel is an ambitious project that aims to be the world's longest undersea tunnel, connecting Shandong and Liaoning provinces in China. With a remarkable 125 kilometers length, the tunnel will be longer and more intricate than the Channel Tunnel connecting France and the United Kingdom. To ensure safety and operating effectiveness, the design has 3 main tubes, 2 for high-speed trains and a third for maintenance and evacuation. The project presents significant technical challenges due to the seismic activity and unpredictable underwater conditions in the Bohai Strait. These factors necessitate advanced geological research and specially designed tunneling machines capable of withstanding intense underwater pressure and shifting soil. The construction will include tunneling shield technology, which is critical for handling high pressure and preventing cave-ins. When the tunnel is finished, it will take 40 minutes instead of 8 hours to travel between the 2 provinces, greatly increasing connectivity, regional trade, and economic activity. Chinese megaprojects have amazed American engineers with their advanced technology and fast execution. Chinese engineers are pioneering groundbreaking techniques such as smart monitoring systems that allow real-time data collection and environmental integration, which are challenging to implement on a similar scale in the US due to regulatory and budget constraints. China's megaprojects are altering the future of infrastructure, pushing global limits on speed, scale, and technology. As China leads the way, other nations must ask, How will they respond to this engineering revolution? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.